All right, guys, welcome back to the Mask course, Meta Advertising Secrets course. So, in this particular video, we're going to be looking at Meta Business Suite, right? We're going to be looking at Meta Business Suite. So, right here, this is basically my homepage, right? This is my homepage. This is my homepage right here, as you guys can see. So what I want to do is I want to show you guys how to navigate from here to Meta Business Suite, right? Now, if you look at your left, right, from your left right here, if you scroll down, right, okay, I think you guys are going to first see it like this, right? If you scroll down, you see more. You click on see more, you see as manager, all of that. If you have as manager set up, you go to Meta Business Suite. It's going to be there. It's going to be right there, right? For every single Facebook page, for every single Facebook profile, right? You're going to see Meta Business Suite right here. So you just click on that. Once you click on that, as you guys can see here, this is Meta Business Suite. And this Meta Business Suite is showing in regards of our group and our Facebook page that we created earlier, which is Light of a Christian, right? So we have here is the home, and this home page right here, you see your to-do list, the things you're meant to do, and all of that. Now, I'm ought to have created an Instagram account and then link it here, but I haven't linked it because I want to show you guys exactly how to do it. So I'm going to be doing that in most likely the next video. You see your notifications here, where you have notifications on your page and whatnot. You're going to see right here. Then you're going to see your Google Planner right here. So your Google Planner, sorry, your Facebook Planner right here. So your Facebook Planner is going to be basically how you're going to post, right? It's going to plan your post right here. Is where you can schedule posts and all of that according to time. Your Facebook Planner, Meta Business Suite Facebook Planner right here. Then your content right here. This is all the content you've created or posted. It's going to show you as you post them, whether it's from post on your reels, or to your stories. I'm going to change that. I haven't posted any stories, obviously, or to your A and B tests when you're running ads, or to your feeds and your grid, or maybe you now this is where you'll be connecting your Instagram account, but we'll get back to that, or to your mentions and your tags, or to various clips, all of that, right? All of that, all your Facebook content, right, is right here, right? Then you have your insights. I just hope everyone is following, right? So you have your insights there as well. This is just showing you all your insights, and you can see how many impressions, how much reach you have, and all of that. Over here. Then you have your inbox right here, inbox for messages, inbox for your Facebook Messenger is also there's also inbox for your Instagram, right? There's also inbox for your Facebook comments. People comment on your Facebook page. There's also going to be Instagram comment section as well. So after that, we have monetization. So a lot of people don't know um, a lot of people don't know that Facebook actually monetizes people, right? But now, in order for you to do that, you need to have original videos, and yeah, you need to have in-stream ads, for live as well. So yeah, you need to. It's in-stream ads that are going to pay you, right, for your videos. It's just like YouTube. It's just like the way YouTube is set up, right? And right before a video, they're going to show an ad. So that particular ad is what pays the creator of that video. So the same thing happens here on Facebook as well. So for me, I'm not yet eligible because obviously I have no followers. I have no, yeah, I have not yet I have not yet done anything major. So I will just open the account. So ads here is where we are going to be focusing on. You're ready to create your first ad. As you guys can see here, over 9 billion people are active across family and apps, and you can reach them. So reach new customers, save time, all of that good stuff. This is for ads. All tools here, when you open this one, you're going to see a bunch of stuff right here. So sell products and services, appointments, commerce, monetization, orders, services. Engage your audience, business feed, content inbox, inspiration hub, lead center, live dashboard, planner, analyze and report, creative reporting, experiments, insights, meta brand collabs, traffic analytics, business payments, right? Now, all of this is just showing you, I'm just showing you how to navigate the Meta Business Suite once you get here. But what we are going to be focusing on is how we're going to start creating posts and start turning all those posts into adverts right here for the Meta Business Suite. So this video is a basic video one of Meta Business Suite, right? This is a basic navigation of Meta Business Suite. What we're going to be doing next is we're going to be creating a post right here. I'm going to be uploading a post right here, and then maybe a bunch of posts actually, and then we're now going to be turning those posts into ads that are going to run online. All right, so watch out for the next video. Until next time, my name is Annie. Have a wonderful